We never stop looking for good people, is the long and short of it. We have kind of a rolling recruitment program. So essentially what we do is we have a continual call for software engineers, business analysts, project managers, and UI UX engineers as well on the design side. Because it's really important that, you know, it's not just enough to build good software, it has to look good as well, as both as an end user and the websites that we build and put out there. Mobile is very important for us. So we kind of treat our recruitment process as looking for great people with the raw skills to come in who we can mold to our way of doing business. And that's why we work so closely with the universities, because we're really looking to find people who have the innate ability to join us and become productive members of the team quite quickly. That's how we tackle it. We don't recruit for 3 months of the year and then stop and then start recruiting again. We almost have a continuous call, not non-stop. And you know, when we find good people, we take them on. You know, because good people are hard to find. In terms of the people that we found here at Swansea University, I think we've got at least 2 graduates from Swansea. One's a postgrad and one's an undergrad. And obviously we've got you know, Ricardo, who's going to come back and complete his internship as well. Now that he's got exams out of the way. In general, I think what we see from people coming from Swansea University, that you know, they've got certainly the people that we've encountered and people that we've taken on, they've got a great attitude. You know, so they're very keen to progress their own understanding and learning of what they do. We use machine learning an awful lot. It's intrinsic to some of the key engines and algorithms that we run to improve the performance of e-commerce. It's nice to see that, you know, the guys are covering machine learning here as well. You know, machine learning is the latest buzzword du jour. You know, before that it was called artificial intelligence. Before that it was called artificial neural networks and everything else. But machine learning is important for us. Because for us, on this side of things, it is all about trying to engage with the various research institutions and getting access to good people and getting them excited about what we're trying to do. And you know, I believe Software Alliance Wales can be a big help to us to do that.